Good morning, first grade friends, and happy Wednesday. I hope you had a wonderful day of learning yesterday and playing outside. I know it was a perfect day with sunshine and a gorgeous day to play outside. So I am here to share our morning message of the day, and I am going to share who our star student of the week is. So before we do anything, let's do a double fist bump greeting. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Good morning. Oh my goodness, I miss you. I saw so many amazing posts yesterday, and I even saw some friends share their memory book writing with Miss Field, which was so fun to see. Again, you don't have to, but if you want to, you can take a picture and show it to me because I would love to see it if you want to. All right, friends, remember today is Wellness Wednesday, so take a break. I can't wait to see you on WebEx today. As always, you can read along right with me. Here we go. Good morning, friends. Today is Wednesday, May 13th, 2020. Remember, today is Wellness Wednesday. That means there is no new work, but you can finish any work that you didn't complete yet. So maybe there were some jobs on Seesaw that you didn't have time to finish that you want to go back to, or maybe you want to add some more detail to your writing and your pictures. Go for it. But there's going to be no new learning today. I will be meeting with groups today on WebEx, and I can't wait to see you all. So remember, moms and dads got a schedule of when your meeting time with Miss Field is, and you'll be able to meet with a few other friends during that time too. We'll talk together, maybe we'll have time to play a game together, and remember, if you want to join in on another meeting, you absolutely can. You just have to check on what time it's at. All right. You also have PE. Have a wonderful day today, and remember to be kind as always. Love, Miss Field. All right. We are going to find out who our new star student of the week is today. So yesterday I gave you 3 clues. The first clue was that this person, this star student, loves Legos. And I know there's quite a few friends in our classroom that love Legos, so it might have been tricky to pinpoint who exactly it is. My second clue is that this star student has one sister. And here is a little hint. The sister that the student has is younger, does not go to CHE yet. And this star student loves to go camping and fishing. So I heard about 3 or 4 different names of who we might thought that it was. I heard some friends think maybe Declan, or maybe it was Eric, or maybe it was Austin W. I heard lots of different names of boys. So here we go. Are you ready to find out who it is? Let's do a drum roll, please. Oh, does anybody recognize? I see a little baby. I see his baby sister, and I see him as a young child, and you might not be able to recognize him right away, but I see someone who has come into our classroom multiple times to do face painting and to be your guest teacher sometimes. Yeah, that's right. That's Mrs. Rose. So our star student is Eric. Woohoo! Some of you guessed right. Nice job, friends. That is a fun picture that Eric's mom has shared with me, and it looks like they're in an airplane because remember that Eric's dad is a pilot. All right. Here is another picture that his mom has shared with me. It looks like he's outside when it was snowing outside, and he's not even wearing a jacket. Eric, it must have been warm enough to not even have to wear your jacket outside. And I have one more picture to share with you, friends, today. And this picture was one that Miss Field had taken a while ago. And I love this picture because it clearly shows how much Eric loves to build. Do you see how excited Eric's face is about that building that they did? I love it. So Again, your 3 clues are that this person, Eric, he loves Legos, he has 1 younger sister, and he likes to go camping and fishing. And when I saw him come pick up his memory book, I asked him for a good clue so it didn't give it away, and he told me to use the clue of he loves to go camping and fishing. So Eric, we can't wait to see more pictures of you throughout the week, and on Friday we will share your poster and give you compliments. So friends, I hope you have a wonderful Wednesday. I will see you soon on WebEx, and enjoy your day. We'll see you later, friends. Goodbye.